Hello guys, so in this video we are going to be talking about if statement. Uh, Most of the time whenever we write an application, we want our application to be able to make some decisions. For example, maybe in a situation whereby maybe you want to withdraw, so you cannot be able to withdraw if you don't have enough cash in your account and something like that. So an if statement is just a method that allow you to perform a particular event if a particular condition is maybe satisfied. Otherwise it's going to perform something different. So let's see how we can be able to make our program, or how we can be able to write our program that is going to, or that can be able to make decision based on the condition we give it. So what we are going to be starting with whenever we are going to create an if statement, we are going to be starting by, maybe let me just create two variables. So let me just create one variable. So I'll just create an integer variable in this case, and then I'll call it maybe test. Then I will initialize it to maybe 0, or let me just initialize it to 5. So I'll just terminate my line of code. So to create an if statement, we start with the keyword if like this, and then with double parenthesis, and this is where our condition is going to go. And then after that, we have what we call the body, the function body, which is this two curly brace. So whatever we want to execute, they are going to go under, or sorry, in between these two curly brace. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to set my condition. So whenever my condition is satisfied, then that is when this all the code that I placed in this block of holy brace are going to be executed. But whenever my whenever my condition is false, so nothing is going to get executed. So that is it. So let's go ahead and set our condition. So in this case, we are having this test variable. Then I will say, okay, if my test variable like this is maybe uh, less than maybe 5, so I'm going to do something in between this block, if block body. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to output maybe welcome. So let me just go ahead and output it using our function cout. So I'm just going to output some random string. In this case, I'm going to output welcome. So like this. So I'll save my program, and I will compile my program. So I will run my program now. So you can see we are getting nothing. Why? Because our test variable is is equal to 5. So 5 is not less than 5. That is why we are not getting anything. So let me just cancel it out. So in a situation whereby we put maybe equal to, or is equal to, this is how we write equal. This is an equality sign. We are testing to see if this variable is equal to this value. Are they the same? So that is the what this means. So now whenever we save our program, let me just compile it. We should be getting welcome, because test is equal to 5. In this case, we store 5 in test, so therefore test is equal to 5. So let me just go ahead and run my program. So you can see we got this welcome in our screens. So let's assume, for example, um, in a situation whereby uh, maybe our value is not, maybe is not true. So let's assume we are testing to see if this test is equal to 6, and then we know that test is equal to 5 is not 6. So now we are not going to be getting this. But in a situation whereby we want to get some output even if our condition is not true, so that is when we are going to consider using something else, which is else statement. And we write it like this. So we just type this else like this. So what this means is that whenever our condition is true, this is what we are getting, and whenever our condition is false, and we are going to be getting whatever we put in this block of else statement. So I'm just going to copy this syntax. I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to change it to maybe no results, like this. So I'm going to save it. So now this condition, as you can see, is false, meaning that the condition is not true. So we should be getting this else statement. So let me just save it and compile it. So let me run my program. So you can see we have no result. But in a situation whereby our a condition maybe is true, in a situation whereby test is equal to 5, I'll just save it and compile it. So then we should be getting this welcome, which is this first line of code. So you can see we get the welcome result. So that is it. So in summary, whenever you want to test different parameters, maybe you can consider using maybe if statement. So in a situation whereby your condition is true, so you should be getting the true output, and in a situation whereby your condition is false, and then you are going to be getting the false output. So that is how if else statement works. Thank you.